Alright guys, so Monad testnet airdrop is the hottest topic right now on the crypto space, and a lot of people have been looking for a way to participate on this airdrop. A lot of people think that it is very difficult, but this is totally wrong. It is not difficult and anybody can do it right after watching this video. So in this video, I'm going to be making this very simple. I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to participate on this free airdrop, because this airdrop won't cost you a dime, and this project actually raised about $244 million. And right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get the testnet token so easily, and also I'm going to be teaching you a lot of ways that you can actually get the testnet token, and most importantly, I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to add the testnet network to your own wallet, and also a lot of things that are involved around Monad testnet. I'm going to be sharing it right here on this video. So if you are coming across our channel for the first time, or if you have been viewing, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to our channel to keep us motivated. And also we do run coin giveaway, so if you want to be part of the giveaway, simply make sure that you have liked, subscribe, share this video, and most importantly, put a nice comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we pick our winners and of course announce them on Telegram. So with that being said, let's get started right now on how you can be able to participate and be eligible to claim the Monad testnet airdrop. So the first thing for simply copy the link from the video description box, and once you have copied the link, then you come over here right now to the browser section. You can see over here I am on their website, and of course participating on the testnet actually require 4 simple steps. The first one is of course getting the testnet token, and of course minting or making your first trade actually, and building your fantasy top deck, and of course exploring the Monad ecosystem. So right guys, we are going to be getting started right now. So the first thing you need to do first is to simply come over here right now to connect your wallet. So right now I'm going to be clicking on connect wallet like this, and over here it's going to be showing me a list of wallets available on my browser or on my phone. I'm going to be selecting MetaMask wallet so that I can then do this very simply right now. You can see my MetaMask has just popped up right now because I have already added the MetaMask extension to my browser. So if you want to be learning how to add the MetaMask extension to your browser, check out the video description. I'm going to be dropping the video that's going to be helping you do that on the video description box. So right now guys, I need to connect my MetaMask right now. I will click on connect, so the connection will be established, and right now my wallet has been connected. So the next thing you need to do is simply scroll down a little bit, and you can see this button that says add Monad testnet. You click on it, and once you click on it right now, you need to either come over here to add it manually, and these are the things that you're going to need to add it manually, or you can just go back right now and of course select the wallet that you want to add it to. Okay, they actually recommend Phantom wallet, but I'm using MetaMask wallet and I have already added it. So when you click over here right now on add manually, you need to click on add testnet to MetaMask right now, and once you click on this button, it is going to be added right immediately to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so from here we need to go back right now by clicking on the continue button. So right now guys, the next thing is for us to get the testnet token. So getting the testnet token is the most difficult thing right now. So but I have made a well-detailed video about how you can be able to get the testnet token, and over here on our channel, let me show you guys the video here right now. Over here, this is the video that I have already made that's going to be helping you get the testnet token so easily. So over here guys, on my OKX, you can see this was the token that I got from the video that I've already shown you how I was able to do that. I got only 0.5 MON, which is the testnet token that's going to be required, but I am using my MetaMask wallet to participate on this Monad testnet airdrop. So what I need to do right is simply go to my wallet right now, and of course this is my MetaMask. I need to copy the wallet address of my Monad right here on my MetaMask. Then I will transfer the Monad that I already have from the OKS to my MetaMask so that I can be able to participate on the airdrop seamlessly. So right now guys, I need to copy the wallet address. Of course this is the wallet address that I've copied. Then I will go to my MetaMask right now to transfer it to my OKX. So right now I need to click on send, and once I click on send, it's going to be asking me the asset that I want to send. Of course I want to send my MON. I will select MON, and right now I need to paste my wallet address here immediately. Okay, so right now I need to paste my wallet right here, and once I've pasted my wallet, then I need to click on continue. Then I'll have to wait a little bit. It's going to be asking me the amount of MON that I want to use. I'm going to be choosing all because I want to be using all my MON to participate on this. All right, so now guys, I need to click on confirm right now, and of course I need to confirm this transaction, and immediately the token is going to be sent to my MetaMask wallet. All right, so a total of 0.5 4983 mon has been sent to my MetaMask right now. I will go to my MetaMask right now, and of course I need to okay, you can see it has reflected immediately right now. You can see it right here. It has reflected immediately on my wallet. So I need to head right back. I need to head back right now to actually start the airdrop. So the second thing we need to do is simply make our first trade. To make your first trade, you need to scroll down a little bit. But before we talk about that, let's talk about more ways to actually get the testnet token. So another way to actually get this testnet token is to obviously come back below right here to paste your address right here. Then you click on get testnet token. But this method don't usually work because the network is the traffic is very high, and of course a lot of people are trying it at the same time, and sometimes they have run out of the testnet token. So right now, for example, right now I'll be going ahead to paste my wallet address here real quick, and right now that I have pasted my wallet address, I need to click on get testnet token. This is likely to fail because the network is very congested right now. Let's see what we are going to have right here right now, and you can see it didn't go through, I think so. They didn't give me any message. Okay, so I will go ahead and of course try it one more time. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here. Okay, you can see we are having error message right here. So that's the reason why this method don't usually go. So you can go ahead and connect your Discord, because once you connect your Discord, there's actually a task that you need to complete. And coming over here right now to my Discord, you can see this is where we actually claim some monad testnets over here. Okay, you can see it over here, guys, on this Discord channel. I will also leave the link on the video description box so that you can of course try out this method of actually getting the monad testnet. All right, so it's very simple on this Discord, but you need to actually meet a certain criteria to be able to claim it from this Discord. All right, so the link is going to be on the video description box. All right, so now let's go back right now and continue with the testnet. So over here, the next step is for us to make our first trade, right? So when you scroll down a little bit right now, making your first trade actually requires you to buy all these what do they call this? I think these are cards or whatever. Okay, you can see I'm going to be buying this one right now. So I need to actually, you can see one DAC is actually going for 0.02. So I'll be buying just two of these. So 0.0. Let me just put it 0.05. So I will click on buy DAC right now. It is going to be loading up pretty quick, and it's going to be popping up my MetaMask, which I need to confirm the transaction. And this is simply how you interact on the monad testnet. All right, so then guys, we don't have enough time. I will proceed with the video immediately, so I need to click on confirm right now. And right now we are going to be buying this first modac. It is actually called molandac. All right, so I've actually made this purchase right now. You can go ahead to buy as many as you want, because the more that you buy, the more your airdrop allocation increases. But we do not have enough time, so I'll be leaving this one right now, and I'll be coming back to do it later. All right, so when you scroll down a little bit, you can see the next step that we need to actually take is for us to build your fantasy top deck. When you scroll down right now, you can see what we have here. We have the spotlight and we have the fantasy top right here, and you can see the tournament is going to start in 3 days 15 hours. So right now we need to click on play now. Once you click on play now, you are going to be taken to another website where you need to do some few simple things that's going to be positioning you to actually earn this monad testnet airdrop successfully. So over here right now, you can see this is how it looks like, and over here a lot of things actually goes on right here, but we need to click on register and pay for free. Register and play for free. Actually, you click on register and play for free. So over here they are going to be giving you a little instruction right here, which is asking you to actually add to your home screen. So right now guys, we are going to be clicking over here right now. So what we need to do is simply click on this three line. Okay, you click on this three line, I mean these three dots rather. You click on these three dots, and of course you need to click on add to home screen. You can see you need to actually add to home screen, or you can go ahead and install it rather. So then you click on install, and this is going to be installed right now. You click on add right now to add this to your home screen. So right now that it has been added, let's click it one more time, and over here you can see you are still getting the same message. So what you need to do right now is simply go to your home screen. You can see it has appeared right here. Right now guys, we need to click on it right now. So clicking on it right now is going to be taking you to the website, and it's going to be taking you to where we stopped earlier. All right, so then I need to allow it to load up right now, and of course you can see this is how everything looks right here. And of course you need to then go ahead and click on register and play for free. Okay, so this is going to be loaded up, and it's going to be asking you to create an account. Of course you can continue with your Google or your Twitter accounts. So then guys, we are going to continue with our Google right now. You need to click on it. You can see capture verified successfully. You click on continue right now, and of course you are going going to be taking where you need to do some few simple things that's going to be positioning you very well to actually participate and be eligible to claim this Monad testnet airdrop. So right now you need to continue with your Google account. Right now you need to then click on continue, which is going to be popping up next. You click on continue right now, and of course your account is going to be created immediately. And right now you are then going to head to the next step, which is actually going to be positioning you to actually earn the Monad testnet airdrop. You can see right now we have successfully connected our Google account right now. Now let's wait for the next step, which we are supposed to take right now. You can see welcome to Fantasy Monad right now. You need to actually give it a little time to load up right now, and from here what you need to do is very simple. And of course you can see this is of course your own account right here, and when you look over here right now you need to actually add a referral code right now. Once you add a referral code right here, you click on continue to actually earn some points. From here right now what you need to do is simply come over here to where we have lock your deck. You click on it right now. From here right now they are going to be asking you to actually open your first stack. So right now you click on it. Right now guys, they are going to be asking you to unlock all this, and once you are done unlocking it or unstacking it, then you need to go ahead and of course click on continue. And once you click on continue right now, you can see this is all that you have got so far. All right, so this is all you have got. So right now you need to click on continue one more time, and right now guys you are going to be taken back to the main website, and of course you need to click on save deck right now. And right now guys, this is simply the processes that you need to take for you to actually position well for this Monad testnet airdrop. So what you need to do from here, simply go ahead and of course click on lock your deck. Okay, you click on lock your deck right now. You can see a lot of things are going to be popping up right now. You can see this is of course the registration is going to be ending in 10 days right now, and of course you can see you need to actually register from certain things, but to be honest with you I don't really understand some of the things going on right here. So right guys, you can see these are my heroes, and when I click over here, these are my leagues. So right now let me go ahead and of course select one of them to see what I'm gonna have. So I'll be selecting this elite right now because I actually like big things. Right, so this is going to be opening up right now, and it's going to be asking me to register on this deck. So right now guys, you can see I need to click on register a deck right now, and of course you can see right now I need to select from any of my cards right now, and of course this is going to be taking 5 cards actually. So right now I need to just select randomly 5 cards to see what I'm gonna have. Okay, so right now guys, I've selected 5 cards. I need to actually click on confirm deck right now, and of course remember the next step is actually for us to rank up. Let me show you guys something real quick. Okay, so before we proceed, let me show you something so that you can be able to understand what we are actually doing right here. So coming back right now to this page, let me show you something. Coming back right here to the Monad, let me show you something over here. Okay, so let me show you something. You can see this is what we are actually trying to do, building our fantasy top deck. That is what we are actually doing right here. Okay, so you just need to explore a lot of things right here, do some few things that's going to be positioning you very well. So right now we need to click on register a deck right now. You can see you are now going to register it again. Okay, so all this one right now are already on other decks and all that. This is how simple it is. All right, so I'm going to be making a deep research about this to actually understand it very well, so that I can come right here and of course give you guys a well detailed explanation of what you need to do very well in order for you to actually secure the most. But currently this is what you need to do from now. So right now guys, when you click on view my deck, you can see this was actually the deck that I actually registered already. All right, so this is how simple it is, and currently this is what you need to do. More videos explaining this better is going to be dropped, and when you come over here right now to this page, you can see the next thing is for us to actually explore the Monad ecosystem. So to be able to do it is just for you to go ahead and of course just like the word goes right here, said explore the Monad ecosystem. This simply means that you just need to interact within the ecosystem, like these are the ecosystem. For example, you need to use most of all these decentralized or layer 3 dApps right here. For example, using any of them to trade, using any of them to borrow land, whatever. Just come over here and interact in all this right here. Just interact in as many as you can, and in that you are actually exploring the Monad ecosystem. So go ahead to follow them on Twitter, join the Discord, and of course join the developer Discord, so that you can be able to be updated regularly on what you need to do. All right, so this is how simple it is to participate on the Monad ecosystem. More detailed video that explains more of this testnet is going to be shared very soon. So make sure that you are locked in, make sure that you are following us, so that you'll be updated regularly on all you need to know in order for you to secure eligibility for this Monad ecosystem airdrop. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that is going to be dropped very soon. Peace out, and of course do have a lovely day.